This is race number 7, Forward Ride Truck Expert 2019 West Coast Nationals. Looks like Daniel out to the early lead, falls right behind him by Matt in a rental ride. Everybody else trying to get through the back straightaway. Look at all the trucks clearing the double.
What? I did.
Oh, your leader upside down in the doubles. Turmos are trying to get out to him without getting killed. Caution in the doubles. Caution in the doubles. All right, that's going to mix everything up. Lap 1, Matt up to 1. Frank, Rich, Jason, Matt Harrelson, Shea Baker, Daniel Fry, Steve Bills, Cody, and Brian Shapiro. Carl Woosley back there in 11th. No start from Ryan or RC. So Matt coming through the whoop section. Caution on the back straight, caution on the back straight, roll the back straight, clear. All right, after 3 minutes down, 27 to go. Frank Hernandez up in the 1 spot. Rich and Matt Bertone 2 and 3. Daniel Fry all the way back up in the 4. Dad Truck and Cowbell Corner. Dad Truck and Cowbell Corner. Oh, man, we got somebody dragging the right rear. Is that our leader? Oh, man. What a bummer. See if they can get you back out there. Maybe something easy they can fix. Hey, move him off the loop. Move him off the loop. Hey!
Hey! Move him off the loop!
Thank you. Caution on the back straight. Clear. All right, well, this is going to move Rich up into the 1 spot. Matt Bartone in 2. Frank Hernandez, Daniel Fry, Steve Bills, Brian Shapiro, Cody, Shay and Carl, Jason and Matt. So let's see how we got going here. Rich Frylock, he's in the 1 spot, bumped himself out of Sportsman first air qualifying on his own. We didn't have to do it. Matt Bartone now up in 2. Frank Hernandez down to 3. Daniel Fry in 4. Steve Bills, Brian Shapiro, Cody Wayne, Carl Woosley, Shea Baker. Matt just took over the lead. Where are they at on the track? Oh, here he comes right now. Matt and Rich, side door to door here, going through the back straight. Now bumper to bumper. I think that's one. Whoa, Frank Hernandez going huge off the tabletop. I believe that was 1, 2, 3 right there. Matt in a rental ride. Last minute grabbed Ed Turney's truck, threw it out there. That's just the kind of guy Ed is. Shay, your leader's right behind you, Shay. Let him by. Thank you, sir. You got second right there with him. Blue truck, second place. Second place trying to get around Shay. Gets by him in the cowbell corner. Brian Shapiro down the front straightaway in sixth spot. Trying to hunt down Steve Bills. We got 5 down, 25 to go. 6 down, 24 to go. Looks like Brian is chasing Steve down the back straightaway now. Coming up big, a little off the tabletop. Going to cost a lot of time. Carl right behind Brian, trying to get by him now. Steve Bills going to cross front straightaway right past the loop. Brian Shapiro and Carl in the same section. Here comes Brian now, followed by Carl. And your leader ready to lap both of these guys. Drink. Daniel Fry, Frank Hernandez going down the front straightaway. Your battle right now is Brian and Carl Roosley through the Daytona turn. That is for 6th and 7th with your leader right behind them. Your leader trying to grid around Carl, but they're in a battle, so it's kind of hard. Second place, rolls it over on the anthill. Cherry running out to get him. Shay pushing him around. Carl Roosley upside down over the tabletop. Let your leader by. Right in the middle. So Brian gets a little breathing room from Carl, breathing down his neck. They're trying to catch Steve, but Brian's got the leader right behind him, so he's got to give him the spot, but not give up too much time. Got to pick the right time to do it. Matt throws it in there, stops early while Brian's a little sideways, didn't want to hit him. They both roll at the same time. Carl trying to go around the leader now. So Brian coming down the front straightaway, followed by Carl and Matt Bertone. Eight minutes down, 22 to go. 8 down, 22 to go. Matt Bertone, Daniel Fry, Frank Hernandez, Rich Rybach, Steve Bills, Brian Shapiro, Carl Roosley, Shay Baker, Cody Wayne, and Matt Harrelson, I think is broke. Or I think he's back on the track now. There he is. The blue gay truck right here in the middle rolling over. Thank you, buddy. What a bad land on the pipe. Carl Roosley looks like something happened to his truck. Got Austin out there to go grab it. Here comes your leader. So 1 and 2 now through the Daytona turn. Your leader, red hood, white body. Second place, all white, no stickers. Yellow wheels going over the back straight now. Whoa, Cody Wade driving in way too hard, nailing Shay, trying to get him flipped over for himself and lets him go. Didn't expect him to break that early. Rich Rybach now over the table, over the double on the tabletop. Carl pulling in and running down there. He's going to do some repairs to his own truck. Meanwhile, Shay and Cody are like magnets. Your leader down the back straightaway. Daniel Fry down the back straightaway. Your leader stretches it out a little bit. Looks like we got a battle now between second and third between Frank and Daniel. Both in the whoop section. And they go down the front straightaway. Frank in the new 2.0 body. Daniel in the all-white body. And your leader, 1, 2, and 3, real close together, one flip away. Frank's putting the pressure on Daniel a little bit. He's gaining on him. He was 1.8. He's a lot closer now. Daniel through the whoops, double. Frank trying to dive it in there, going a little hot. They're going to come across the line now at 0.9 seconds difference is what you see on the track. So this battle between 2 and 3 really shaping up as they come through the infield here around the anthill. Still trying to catch the leader. Frank saw an opening on the inside, thought better of it. Daniel, Frank both big over the tabletop through cowbell corner. Frank going a little wide over the pipe. Gets back on, and that cost him a little bit of time. Brian, your leader's behind you. 11 down, 19 to go. Cody chassis slapping it off the double. Rich Rybach, Steve Bills, Brian Shapiro, that's 4, 5, and 6. Something happened to Rich's truck as he came out of the whoops. We still need pit stops. Your leader coming on the front row right behind Brian Shapiro. Second place coming through the whoops. Third place coming through the whoops. These guys are battling hard. I mean, it's 1, 2, 3. With Shapiro mixed in the middle for a little excitement. Frank's catching Daniel again. Little by little, he's gaining on him. 1.8 the last lap. See what he gets going by this one. Probably less than a second. Your leader currently 4 seconds ahead of both of these drivers. Frank is right on Daniel's bumper now. As they drag race down the front straightaway, they're going down in front. Five minutes left in this one, 5 minutes. So now Brian trying to catch up with Steve Bills, both on the same lap. Looks like Brian's 7.9 seconds behind Steve. Steve is the all-white truck coming in the whoops right now. Brian over the tabletop. Daniel making up some time on Frank. Made up another couple tenths right there. So Daniel's putting the pressure on. Going to try to catch Frank before this race is over. 4.5 to go. Second place in the back straight. Third place going through the singles. Right behind Carl. Fourth place going to cowbell corner. Fifth place going through the middle. Second place getting around Rich. Rich lifting by. Hi, Ashley. Hi. 4 minutes left, drivers, 4 minutes left. Matt setting himself up to double up this weekend. 2 titles. Oh, no. His truck broke. In the middle. The leader is broke in the middle. Brian, go wide. The leader, his truck is broke in the middle. Start it up. See what happened. Maybe ran out of gas. Nope, they say it's lit. 3:20 left to go, driver. 3:20. Matt, Frank, Daniel, Steve, Brian. That's your top 5. Your leader currently off the track. Where's Frank at? Coming through the whoops. This should give him the lead right here. Drop Matt down to second. Frank having all kinds of trouble coming down the front straightaway. .230 left, driver. 2:30 left. Nice show. Frank in the lead, followed by Daniel. Frank got missed a lap. I'm going to have to add it. Here he goes down the front straightaway. Daniel coming through the whip right behind Steve. That's a battle. Steve, let him go. There goes Matt back out on track, Matt Patone. Dead truck in the middle, dead truck in the middle. Your leader around the anthill. Now second, right behind him in the all-white truck. Coming around. Third place, Steve Bills now, all white. Coming on the back row right behind Shea Bake. Behind Shea. Your leader with 45 seconds left coming through the middle, or the whip, down the front straightaway. Second place right behind him. We still got 30 seconds left. This is not over. They need to finish this lap. Frank Hernandez coming through the infield one last time with Daniel right behind him. Trying to catch him, driving the wheels off the truck. They got to get it. Frank goes big over the double. Daniel also goes big over the table two. Through Cowbell Corner with 12 seconds left to go. Here comes Hernandez through the whip section. Probably going to get one more lap. Daniel's right there. One more lap to go. Here's the drivers. Hernandez and Fry down the front straightaway into the Daytona turn. Neither one of them can afford to make a mistake. That is time on the master clock. When you guys cross the line, you will be done. Here's a battle for the lead right here down the back straightaway. Daniel and Frank. Bumper to bumper over the double. Both cleanly. Oh, Daniel catches it. Allows Frank. And I think he broke it. Oh, no. Here comes your leader. That was a great battle shaping up. Frank Hernandez, your 2019 West Coast champion for four-wheel drive truck expert. Good job. This will give Steve second, and Daniel will end up in